Spotify has introduced its audiobook service. If you are an author wishing to start publishing audiobooks on Spotify, we'll show you how to transform your text into audio, publish it on Spotify, and earn commissions. Visit findawayvoices.com and register on their platform. Complete the form and choose whether you plan to use it as a narrator or an author. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll select author. Go to the homepage and click on New Project. If you have your manuscript but no audio yet, choose Begin Project in the Create Independently section. Upload your manuscript and set up a call for proposals to narrators. Enter a title and upload your manuscript. The platform accepts several document formats. Click Begin, Read, and agree to the platform's production and distribution conditions. In the metadata section, you can edit the title, add cover art, and set a price. In the production timeline section, you can complete your call for auditions, find a narrator, review their work, and finalize the publication. Once this process is completed, the distribution section will unlock, allowing you to choose Spotify as the platform to distribute your audiobook. In the overview section, you can review the information you provided and delete your project if necessary. If you already have the audio version of your book, you can upload it directly to the platform and publish it on Spotify. Head back to the findawayvoices.com homepage and click on Create a Project. The button will display New Project if it's your first time. Click on Upload My Files under I want to sell an existing audiobook and choose a title. In the metadata section, you can edit the title, add cover art, and write a description. In the audio section, upload your audio in MP3 or FLAC format to the corresponding sections. After uploading the audio, head to the distribution section and select Spotify. You can also choose other distributors. Confirm your selections, and in the overview section, you will be able to review the information and delete your project if necessary. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, visit our full playlist of tutorials about Spotify.